Hello, birds. I hope we can be civilized today. I'll be right back. Hi, sweetheart. Here we go. Come on over here. Come on. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on. Ah, jeez. Oh. Come on. Why aren't you just a little grumples? Come on. You guys. Nope. Go on. Guess we're just gonna have to eat over here and over here. Right, babies? Sweetheart. I was thinking of that song where you keep them separated. So I have some here, and one over here. I guess somebody's not feeding the birds that normally feeds them. It's the only thing I can think of. Because these two are paired off. Oh. Snowy egrets have black beaks and yellow feet. Great white egrets have black feet and yellow beaks. Isn't that fascinating? There's more. Get them. Come on. Come on. Come on. Watch. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Yeah. 52 degrees. Pretty birds. I'm gonna go back over here. Come on. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Let's go back over here so I can sit on the step. Here we go. Grumpy birds. Okay, we're gonna throw this out. Come on, babies. have a glorious day. I have to take Janet to lunch for her birthday today, even though it's not till the 16th. So I'll take you for a ride on the trip if Nina's done. If she's not done, I won't go live. So we'll see you all later. What is it, 18 days till Christmas? Have a glorious Saturday.